Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. Quick tip for you. When we're redoing a console, or in this case we're going to be putting a new console on this boat, this is a binnacle mount or a topside mount. Works for any control box. This happens to be a Yamaha, but a Mercury, Suzuki, they all look similar enough and function similar enough this trick will work. I want to find out which cable is my shift and throttle so I can label them, and then when I put everything in the new console, it's already done for me. I don't have to try to figure out which is my shift, which is my throttle, and then match them up. So what I'm going to do is take my shift arm and I'm just going to shift into forward. So when I shift, the first one to move, just barely, is this back one. This is my shift throttle, or I'm sorry, my shift cable, and this is my throttle cable. The other way to check would be to put it into neutral and just rev throttle only. That's by pushing this button. And then the first one to move is my throttle. So what I do once I indicate that is I'm gonna label a T for throttle with a Sharpie and then an S for shift once I've identified which is the shift and which is the throttle. That way, when I put everything back together on the new console, it's quick and easy. Everything's labeled for me. The work has been done. I just plug it back in and away we go.